Welcome to the SCIEX Now Learning Hub, and thank you for purchasing one of our Success Plus or Master programs. This brief video will explain what to expect and how to make the most of your learning experience. Our Success programs are made of learning paths that guide you through a unique blend of self-paced e-learning, instructor-led, and hands-on training. This follows the proven spaced learning approach to maximize learning retention. Upon the successful completion of this program, you'll earn an applicable workflow certificate. Here, we're going to take a look at one of our Success Master learning paths as an example. This is a personalized learning path based on your instrument and workflow. You'll immediately observe that every course is not required. Even though the next phase of a learning path becomes available once you have satisfied minimum requirements for each phase, we do recommend that you complete all of the courses listed in each section before moving on. You can earn a certificate by passing the quiz at the end of each course. The first phase of the path contains essential information regarding the training at your site, such as the course syllabus and any required consumables needed during the training. The next phase of the path contains LCMS fundamental courses to provide you with an overview of the technology and theoretical concepts. Prior to the installation of your SCIEX mass spectrometer, you'll need to complete the prerequisite basic operations course designed for your instrument. This course is approximately 1 hour. The course will provide you with the knowledge needed to properly perform and prepare for an LCMS experiment and to successfully complete the hands-on exercises in the on-site course listed beneath it. Please note that if you do not complete the prerequisite courses before your installation training, this will significantly impact your learning experience and will result in forfeiting your workflow certificate. The following on-site installation training will then reinforce that skill set via exercises in the laboratory coached by a service engineer. This course is approximately 5 hours. Upon completion of the basic operations installation training, it'll become necessary for you to learn more details about the software features you will be using to drive your workflows. As you go through each post-installation course, you will notice some review of previous course materials that will reinforce what you have learned. The material gets more challenging as it covers topics in more detail. Completing your post-installation training is key to preparing for application support training and allows you to gain access to the course content for that course. The on-site instruction time is between 2 and 3 days, depending on which Success program you purchased. The instructor for this on-site training is a highly experienced application scientist that will explain the details of your workflow, teach you best practices, and answer your questions. You'll be provided hands-on exercises and demonstrations to ensure that you have retained the core information needed for you to successfully run your workflow. The learning path will contain all course material delivered during the training, such as hands-on exercises and lectures for you to review at a later date. You'll also notice a task that should be marked as complete once your training has been delivered. Now that you've completed the core coursework, you can receive a workflow certificate upon successful completion of a final knowledge assessment. Some learning paths will offer either a basic operator certificate or a more advanced method developer certificate. Additional advanced courses are typically needed for the method developer certificate. Once awarded, you can then view your valid workflow certificate in your transcript. These can be printed at any time. Workflow certificates remain valid for 1 year before they must be renewed. To renew the certificate, you'll need to retake and pass the knowledge assessment. If you do not receive a passing grade on a knowledge assessment, you'll need to retake it to move forward in your learning path. For some learning paths, there may be multiple knowledge assessments shown in the certificate section. You only need to complete the assessment applicable to your workflow to obtain that certificate. Once one assessment in the section is complete, you can move on to the next section. We want to hear your feedback, so please complete an evaluation once you have received your certificate. You'll notice that once you have received your workflow certificate, we also open up recommended advanced courses for you to continue your education. From the SCIEX Now Learning Hub dashboard, you can access Learning Manager if you are currently subscribed, recommended applications based on your profile, access our resource library for quick articles, online chat with experts, and visit our community. You can even manage your instrument support. The SCIEX Now Learning Hub and all of SCIEX.com are designed to view easily from your phone, tablet, or computer. If at any point you have any questions or concerns, please click the Help button and send us an email. From all of us here at SCIEX, happy learning!